My second question that I have to use for the place value chart is a bakery used 12,674 kilograms of flour. Of that, 2,802 kilograms was whole wheat and 888 kilograms was rice flour. The rest was all-purpose flour. How much all-purpose flour did they use? Okay, so what I did, I just took the total of all flour. So that's 12,674. So I have 1 10,000s, and then I have 2 1,000s, and then I have 6 100s, 7 10s, and 4 1s. So again, I just used the chart that starts with 100,000s, and then goes to 10,000s, and then goes to 1,000s, then goes to 100s, and then 10s, and then 1s. So what I'm first going to do is take from the 12,674 kilograms, I'm going to take away 2,802 kilograms from it. So right away, I can take away 2 out of the 1s. So I'm left over with 2 in the 1 spot. Then right away in the 10s, I can take away 7. Oh, I don't need to take away anything. So I don't need to take away in the 10s, so I will have 7 in the 10s. And then I need to take away 8 from the 100s. Well, I can't because I only have 6. So I'm going to take 1 from the 1000s and add 10 to the 100s. Because 1,000 times 10 equals, or 100 times 10 equals 1,000. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So from that, I now have 16, and I'm going to take away 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now I have 8 left over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now in the 1000s, I only have 1, and I need to take 2,000s away. So then what I'm going to do again is take 1 from the 10,000s and add 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now I will have 0 in the 10,000 spot. So now I can take away 2. 1, 2, and I'm left over with 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now I have 9,872. 1,000. So I have 9 1,000s, which represents the 9,000. 8 100s, which represents 800. 7 10s to represent 70, and 2 1s to represent 2. So now I'm going to take away 888, which represents the rice flour. I'm going to take that away to figure out what's left over, and I need to figure out how much all-purpose flour they had. Okay, so 888 I'm going to take away. So in the 1s, I need 8, and I can't take 8 away from 2, so I'm going to regroup. I'm going to add a 10, and I need to add 10 dots to the 1s. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So now I have 12. So now I can take away 8. So I'm going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm left over with 4. The next I have 6. I need to take 8 away again, but I cannot do that. So I'm going to take 1 away from the 100s and add 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 9, and then 10. So now in the 10s, I have 160. So I need to take away 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm now left over with 8. Now in the 100s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I cannot take 8 away, so I need to add from the 1000s, and I'm going to add 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oofda. 8, 9, and one more, 10. So now I can take 8 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now I'm left over with 9. And in the 1000s, I don't need to take any away, but I am left over with the 8 since I had to regroup. So now I have 8,984. So that means 8,984 kilograms of all-purpose flour.